Hi, it's Alex again. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a angry bird. I'm starting from the newest bird. Well, I'm going to start from the latest bird to the oldest bird. And the latest bird is the new orange bird. It is not in the regular Angry Birds. You can't update it to that. Not that I know of. But you can get it on the full version of Angry Birds Seasons. And here he is. That's what I'm going to teach you to draw. And here we go. Okay. Sorry. Okay, here we go. First we have to do something like this. And something I want to tell you is he's the only happy-looking bird without the angry lines on his eyebrows. There's the first step, the beak. Sorry, I need to erase something. Okay, there. And then we do the eyes right on top of the beak. Like that. Do a line through here. Make a line come up over like that. Around. Connect it. And then you can do a line like that. Like this. Right here. And then you color that part in. Sorry if I go off screen, I have to do this with one hand. I can't hold the paper and hold my device at the same time. There's a lot of coloring in spaces, so you can just, sorry if you have to be a little bit patient. And then you do a tall thing like that. Oh yeah, and after this, I'll draw a picture of him doing his special power. Color that part in. Like that. And do another small one. Cover that part in. Then do some eyebrows like this. Well, make them a little bit skinny. Sorry, I'll keep it see black for just a second. And then do another eyebrow. Then you do a half circle. Color that part in. And then do 2 small tail feathers, like the bluebird. And there you go, the orange bird. Now I'll show you how to draw him all puffed up. So I'll do it down here. Do something like that. Then do something like that. I'm not telling you what his special power is until I get finished, because it's going to be kind of funny. And the size I'm drawing it to, this one right here, is not the actual size in the game. It gets much, much bigger. 2 eyes, make him looking up. Eyebrows again. Like that. Do this again. Smaller. Another small one. Big circle. Small semicircle down here, color it in. Do the small tail feathers right back here. Light oval, and there you go. His special power is getting puffed up, so that does some good whenever you get it in the middle of something, and whenever he puffs up, he like throws everything everywhere, and it's a pretty good power to have. So, there's your orange bird. Next time, I will show you maybe another plant from Plants vs. Zombies, or maybe a zombie. I might show you a pig. Bye.